Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can share PDF documents or pictures to other apps in files on the iPhone 14 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. On the home screen, or from the app library, open up Files. Next, tap on the Browse tab at the bottom, and then open up the file from the locations. So go to the storage location that has the files that you want to share. So I'm going to go into IT Jungles. In the archive folder, I want to share a few images and documents. So I can touch on the option button and then tap on select. Now select the files that you want to share. Then tap on the share button at the bottom here. And then choose which app you want to share it to. You can airdrop it to another device. So I'm just going to reselect, and then you can airdrop it. You can send it to messages. You can share it to an email, Facebook, Messenger. So I can select Messenger, and I can select a contact to send it to. I can send it to the Notes app. So now it is sending. I'm just going to cancel it for now so that I can show you how you can share it to other apps as well. So here, now there is a button that sometimes that allows you to share from here, but in this case, because I have selected multiple items, we're going to tap on the share button there, and here I can choose to share it to an app. So I can share it to other apps here. Tap on more and then see which apps are available. Depending on which file type that you have selected, sometimes certain app will not allow you to share. So I'm going to deselect the PDF document and then tap on the share button again, and I'll see what else I can choose. So I can share it to reminders. I can share it to Outlook. If I tap on the more button, then you have some suggestions in here: Snapseed, reminders, and Drive. So choose an app available from the share list and then tap on it. I'm just going to see what else we can share it to. You can share it to a contact here at the top. And if I tap on that, I can also share a single picture. So if I touch and hold on the picture, I can tap on the share button. In here, you can see with a single picture, I can share it to the Notes app. That's what I'm looking for before, but it doesn't seem like they allow me to share multiple items, only a single item that I can share it to the Notes app. I can also write a note in here, and I can choose where to save it to, and then tap on saved. And that's it. That is how you can share pictures and PDF documents to other apps on the iPhone 14 series. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.